I'll put a tick mark here. This is the only difference. The degree of freedom will be different in both. Once more, I'll repeat. I'll give you one assignment. That is, you have to do all the problems in ANOVA and chi-square from this book. All are from your past papers. I think let's go for one question from the question paper itself. That will be literally more practical. Can you see the screen? Someone answer, please.
Yes, sir.
Can you see question number 9? Is it ANOVA? Hello, can you see question number 9?
Yes, ANOVA. F test.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here the alpha is 1%, so they have given the values. But they want you to get confused, so they have given 2 values. Did you get the point? They have given 2 values. Which value will you choose? You know the degree of freedom, right? K minus 1. N minus K. So which one will you choose? Red or blue?
Red.
Red.
Okay, now let's go for
Orange color, sir. Orange.
now let's go for question number 11. Please copy the question itself. That will be the last question for this semester.
Bye, so.
Don't worry, I'll be back because you'll need revision or help or something. At that point, we'll meet again. Okay, first of all, let me tell you something. Independence of attribute means independence of character. So they want to, like here they're talking about decisions made by senior officer, junior officer. Is it quick or slow? Can you see proportion? Can you see the proportion here? Are you able to see that there are more than 2 proportion? What is the proportion of the first officer? Quick reaction 60 to 100. Officer level 80 to 100, 80 to 140. Junior officer level 70 to 160. Are you able to see that or not?
Yes, sir.
So they are asking whether the proportion of the people who are working quick or slow are same or not. Shall we start? Okay, make a table. Oh, I forgot to write the first 2 steps. Please write the first step, same as ANOVA. H naught means all proportions are same. P1 equal to P2 equal to P3. H1 means not all are same. Second question, second step, alpha equal to how much? And remember, ANOVA and chi-square are one-tailed graph. ANOVA and chi-square are one-tailed graph.
Sir, why one tail? Though alternative hypothesis is
No. Actually, if you know more statistics, you'll understand that. But right now, there's no option. These are made up of positive numbers. So this graph can never go to the negative side. For example, the ANOVA graph you saw is made up of variance divided by variance. Variance is a positive number, but you're just using this as a tool, so don't worry about it too much.
Okay, sir.
So what is the first classification? Senior officer, officer, junior officer. Quick, slow, and here you can write total. You can write row total. And here you can write column total. Okay, tell me what is the observed value? What is the observed value? Come on, tell me what's the observed value?
67.
60.
And now you have to write something called expected value. Look at this. The formula for expected value is RT into CT by GT. RT means the row total. What's the row total here? And what's the column total here? And what is the grand total? Grand total means whatever you write here. So can you tell me row total multiplied by column total by grand total?
$52.5.
How much?
$52.5.
Now next one. Tell me the observed value. 80.
Expect value. E value.
Tell me the
52.5. Not that.
expected value. Expected value means row total divided by column total divided by grand total. Row total into column total divided by grand total. How much? Amrad, what's the row total? 210 multiplied by 140 divided by 400.
$73.5.
Now, third observation. Third expectation. Come on, row total 210 divided by 160. Oops. 210 multiplied by
84.
160 divided by 400. How much?
84.
Now, second line. Fourth observation. Fourth expectation. Sumit, are you getting it? How to fill the cell one by one?
Yes, sir.
$47.5. At
Now, O5, fifth observation.
60, 66.5. Expected, sir, 66.5.
66.5.
Yeah.
66.5.
Last observation.
76.
90,
Last expectation.
26. 190 is the last one. Sir,
No,
there
no, no, no.
is.
That is total, right? That is total.
Yes, sir. I told you to write there, sir.
Oh. That you don't have to worry about that part. Okay, now comes chi-square now comes the real calculation. Chi-squared calculated equal to, the formula goes like sigma. What do you mean by sigma? You have to add everything. OI minus EI, the whole squared by EI. Okay, can you tell me the first OI minus EI? 60 minus 52.5. Square that value, divide by 52.5. Plus, can you tell me the next observation? 80 minus 73.5 whole divided by 73.5. I'll repeat once more. The square is only for the numerator. 70 minus 84 the whole square, the whole divided by 84. 40 minus 47.5, the whole divided by 47.5. In examination, sometimes you may have to do up to 9 values. 60 minus 66.5, the whole squared by plus 90 minus 76, the whole squared,
So is it 8.378?
how much? How much did you get?
8.378.
Let's wait. Yeah. Okay, now look at this. Now listen very carefully. Look at this. In examination, they ask two type of questions. One is more than 2 proportion, and one is like what you call association or independence of attributes. The only difference that you'll notice is in 2 proportion, the degree of freedom is k minus 1. And in independence of attributes, the degree of freedom is number of rows minus 1 multiplied by number of column minus 1. I'll send you one video right now so that you understand. And please do that homework tonight or tomorrow. Okay, now here what did they ask? Shall we read the question? Is it proportion or is it independence of attribute? So can you tell me what will be chi-square tabulated? Can you please tell me the significance level? What's the significance level? And what's the degree of freedom?
2.
Can you take the last table that we have not used till now? Can you please take that last table that we have never used till now? You'll see that there is only one table that we have not used till now. In examination, don't worry, they will provide very clean tables. You can depend on it. And are you able to see 5% here? Are you able to see that 5% here? Can you see? Hello, answer please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Done,
Yes,
done,
sir,
done.
yes.
Yeah, done. Now.
5.991.
Yeah. Okay, so draw the same graph like F distribution. And what is that value? Once more, Sushmita?
5.991.
5.99.
1. 1.
Reject.
Rejected.
So what is your decision? Reject. Okay, look at this. I know you're all tired, but I will strongly tell you to do this assignment tonight itself. And if you're really tired, please do it tomorrow. But send it in Viber itself, in that group itself. Put it in the main group so that there will be peer pressure. Others will also feel like doing it.
So where is the question?
Here. Can you see the screen or not? I'm sorry, I think I shared something else. These questions are ANOVA question, 3 questions of ANOVA. Can you please click a picture? ANOVA. If you can do it tonight itself, that's the best. Done? Can you please click a picture and post it in the group? Done?
Done.
And these 3 questions are like what you call. This is also ANOVA. Okay, chi-square. Here. And please understand the same questions are being repeated in examination. And can you see test of independence? These are all test of independence. In test of independence, they are asking, is there any connection between age group and the type of music? Is there any connection between gender and nature of work? Is there any connection between region and purchase brand? Is there any connection between intelligence and the economic condition of the student? Now, the only difference that you'll see here is degree of freedom will be number of row minus 1 into column minus 1. Can you please do this much question tonight itself?
Okay, sir.
And if you're that much tired, that much extremely tired, please do it tomorrow. But I'll
Okay,
strongly recommend
Okay,
like what you call, do the like what you call, I'll send one video also. When you work out the assignments, you might need help. Please ask me. Please message in the group. I may not answer immediately, but definitely I will answer.
Sir.
More than 2, more than.
Sir,
What's that, Asmit?
He's hungry.
hungry, sir, hungry.
Hungry mouth.
Sir.
Yeah, wait. I have one more class till 10
No,
o'clock.
sir, sir.
Like what you call. Can you please look at the group? Can you please look at the group?
Now she's running in the stomach, sir.
Let it run for 1 more minute. Please look at the group.
By where?
Yeah. First go and have food and then do that question that I put in the group. Please do that and send the proof that you did tonight itself. Okay, then good night, everyone.
night, sir.
And it was
Good night.